Hey guys, welcome back. Today I have an unboxing with Whimsy and Wellness, and the obsession is real. Welcome back everybody, it's Elizabeth from Adara Green Moments. Excited that you guys are here to see another unboxing. So I just discovered this company last month. I placed an order last month for gifts as well as just to see what the products were like. And then I started following Whimsy and Wellness on Instagram. And it's nice, guys. If you haven't checked them out, what I would love is if you could comment in the comment section below, what is your favorite essential oil accessories company that maybe I don't even know about, because I really don't know very many of them, but these guys are doing it right. Packaging is super cute, the products are super cute, and yeah, the love is real for Whimsy and Wellness. The name is cute. So they were having a holiday collection and like launched it, and I got on the computer that moment and placed an order. So I figured I would unbox it and share it with you guys. Some of this may be Christmas gifts, so hopefully my family that's getting these for Christmas are not watching, or they won't know that this is for them. They'll think it's for somebody else. Thought I had gotten all the tape cut here, but I didn't. So we have a sleepover, we have kids over, so if you start hearing kiddos, then maybe I need to get off the video quick. But yeah, they're here for sure. I think I might actually turn the camera around so that you guys can see what's in the box rather than me trying to hold it up and it's far away. So I'm gonna move the camera over here, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. I'll see you this way in a second. All right, Whimsy and Wellness, we have the box. As soon as you open it, we have this awesome confetti, and then, hey you, clearly you have great taste. We hope you love the whimsy you're adding to your oils. We'd love to see your creation, hashtag them live whimsy, or tagging Whimsy and Wellness. Your purchase makes a huge impact on our family, and we thank you. And this is really nice quality, shiny cardstock, gorgeous. So I ordered a surprise box, which you don't know what it is. It's a misfit surprise box, cosmetically damaged products. And then I also got a surprise box, which are perfect condition products. So this is the regular. So this is a surprise box with perfect condition products. So I had no idea what it was gonna be, but this was $24. And it's like, surprise! You just find out what you're getting. So this is an opalite, it says. Opalite roller top. And then I have a Calm roller bottle. I think I might need to do it this way so you guys can see. Maybe I need like paper. There you go. Calm. I got a Sleep. And I have no idea what collections these are because I'm not extremely familiar with their products. But this one says Joyful, so I don't know if these are from last year, or are they from this year, or what are they from? And if there are recipes to go with them. This one says Happy, and this one says Cheer. So these are the perfect ones that are just a surprise. And then it looks like I got 2 of her perfume bottles, which I have Melissa Pepping's perfume recipes that I just might be trying out. Look at that geometric one. I might make one of these for my daughter for Christmas. So pretty. And then I've got just some roller tops that came in here that are regular, that aren't gemstone. So this is the gemstone one. Beautiful, beautiful. And so for $24, I was like, okay, we'll just find out what I'm getting and it'll be a surprise. The next thing I got, which I knew I was getting and I was super excited about, is she had these gemstone roller tops Twinkle trio. And so you could get the gemstones, but you didn't have to. But of course I wanted the gemstones. And then the Twinkle trio meant this like sparkle. You could pick out which ones you wanted. And I picked the deep blue, light blue, and the iridescent white. They came in different kits of 3. But this one right here is the reason why I ordered it. is because of this teal color. If you know me, you guys know I'm obsessed with teal. And so this feels like, almost like it's plastic on top. I don't really know. Yeah, it's like a coating that it was like dipped in almost, or it's like a sticker that was on, but I don't feel a rim. That's interesting. Yeah, it's over top of a glass bottle. So pretty. And then I got, like, these are gorgeous. They had red and different colors, and then this gorgeous deep blue. And I just thought into January these would be pretty too. And this white, like, oh, okay, don't I just need to take these to Disney with me? I think I do. And then the tops, and they came with it looks like 3 drawstring bags that say whimsy and wellness. Like, oh, they're like burlap, gorgeous. And then the tops come, I don't know which ones go with which, but I have gemstone tops that she's matched for certain ones. So I'm gonna look at that here. Oh, look at that green one. Oh, that's so pretty. Okay, so I have Twinkle, New Year's Eve perfume for one, a Jingle All the Way, and 'Tis the Season. Love that she provides recipe cards. I am so making those. Oh, I'm obsessed. This is why I placed the orders here. And then when I placed it and I found out that I could get a surprise box for a discounted price, I mean, I loved my stuff last month, so I just thought, for a discounted rate, I need to absolutely do that. Okay, so then look, I got all these tops. None of these are gemstones, it looks like. This is the Misfit Damaged, sold as is, no returns or exchanges, but for $12. These are cosmetically damaged. So she said that there's like scratches on them possibly. So I don't know what's in here, but we are gonna check it out. These look like they are from the new Wildflower Collection, and I am looking for damage. Okay, so I don't know if you can even see it. There's one little ding right here, but look how cute that is. Oh, and tealy colors. See, they must know I'm obsessed. So if I ordered the blues, I need those in my life. Those must go with the Wildflower Collection that she just put out. And then we have these bottles that have gold and copper tops. So this one says immune, and I'm looking for damage and I don't see it. I know they have a huge, oh yes I do, on the sticker right there, there's a little crease. Tiny, tiny crease. This one says calm, and I'm looking for the damage. They just have such a high quality control, I love that. Oh, the top has a little tiny scratch on it. See, you could barely see it, guys. All right, this was such a good deal at Get Well. I just need to see the recipe cards of what am I putting in these now, or else I won't know what to do. This one has nothing, but it just has a gold top. A little wonky. This one says happy, and the H is, or A is coming off a little bit. And then this one is odd. It's like iridescent. I wonder what that's for. I could just make my own blend and use these. These are gonna be fun. And this one says snooze. And I don't, oh, the S is a little bit scraped off. So they're not perfect, but they're pretty close. And then this is from the kids collection that sold out, and I wasn't able to order from it because I discovered them after the fact, after they did it. And the bottle, it's just got a little bit of like, it's rubbing off here. But I wonder what this is for. Oh, it's got like a child protective cap, so we can do something with. So I'll have to check that out and see what these are for. Anyways, if you like these kinds of videos, let me know in the comment section below, and like it, and then let me know what is your favorite essential oil company accessory that you'd like me to review or unbox or check out that you guys love. I would love to see. And check out Whimsy and Wellness and let them know I sent you their way. These products are all purchased by me, and these are my honest thoughts and reviews, so I just want to let you know. And I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for taking the time to watch. Bye, guys.